This one financial statement completely shocked me. Not because the company was making losses, but because it was showing huge profits and still was almost bankrupt. And the scary part is, most people never even look at this statement. If you are an investor, a business owner, a student, or someone planning to start a business, this video can literally save you from losing money. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's be honest for a second. When we hear the term financial statement, most of us think it's boring, complicated, and meant only for accountants. Because of this mindset, people blindly trust profit numbers and make terrible financial decisions. Here's the truth. Financial statements are not boring documents. They are warning signals. They tell you what is really happening inside a business. And today, I want to talk about the one financial statement that exposes the real financial health of a company, the one most people ignore. Usually, we hear about three main financial statements: the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Most people focus only on the income statement. If revenue is increasing and profit looks strong, they assume the business is doing great. But what if I tell you that a company can show high profits and still fail? Let me explain with a real-life scenario. There was a company that showed strong revenue growth year after year. The profit numbers looked impressive. Investors were excited, and people started investing without asking questions. Everything looked perfect on paper. Then suddenly, the company couldn't pay salaries on time. Loan payments were delayed. Operations started slowing down. Eventually, the business collapsed. Everyone was shocked and confused. How could a profitable company fail? The answer was hidden in one place: the cash flow statement. When I looked at the cash flow statement, I was honestly shocked. The company was not generating real cash from its core operations. While profits looked good on paper, actual money was not coming into the business. This is something most people don't understand. Profit and cash are not the same thing. A company can record profit without receiving cash. For example, a business may sell products worth thousands of dollars on credit. On paper, those sales count as revenue and increase profit. But in reality, the cash has not been received yet. At the same time, expenses like salaries, rent, electricity bills, and loan payments require real money. You cannot pay employees with profit numbers. You need cash. This is why the cash flow statement is so powerful. It doesn't care about accounting adjustments or attractive profit figures. It answers one simple and brutal question: is real money actually coming into the business? The most important section of the cash flow statement is cash flow from operating activities. This shows whether the company's core business is generating cash or not. If this number is negative for a long period of time, it is a massive red flag. Many companies survive only by taking loans, raising investor money, or delaying payments. They look successful from the outside, but internally they're struggling to stay alive. Most investors and business owners completely ignore this. They check revenue, net profit, and maybe EPs, and then they make a decision. That's a huge mistake. Before you invest in any company or analyze any business, do this one thing. Open the cash flow statement and focus on operating cash flow. Ask yourself whether the company is consistently generating cash from its main operations. If profit is growing but cash is not, you need to be very careful. This one financial statement shocked me because it reveals the truth that income statements often hide. It shows whether a business is actually strong or just surviving on borrowed time. If this video helped you understand finance better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more real-world business and finance insights. And comment cash flow below if you want a full step-by-step video on how to read a cash flow statement like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.